一体何が起こったの？俺もわからない。ひょっとして瞬間移動とか？わあ、ここめっちゃ SF っぽいね。未来の世界みたいだね。そうかな。今何年かわからないけど。あれ？あっち見て。
Welcome to Fashion Exchange. Hello, I am your fashion service specialist, CP8964, but you can also call me Pooh. Please feel free to browse the fashion catalog on the tablet. I am available to assist you at any time.
Dear ladies, good evening. Welcome to our store.
この時代の AI の進化はすごいよね。完全な人工知能のアンドロイドもいるんだ。
そうだね。私たちの時代は AI は実際に抑え込まれてたんだ。
Hey, beautiful robot, I'd like to ask, why aren't there any physical clothes displayed in your store? Is there some kind of magical reason?
Dear girls, let me explain to you. The process is like this.
In our store, we only need to refer to the clothing styles displayed on the tablet. We can then use molecular transfer methods to recombine and assemble them anew.
Even the styles you imagine in your mind. We can also transfer the clothing you need onto yourself. Do you have any idea?
Can we change the clothes we're wearing now into ultra-fashionable and futuristic styles? Please? Please?
Of course. All you need to do is step onto the circular fashion transfer platform over there. And I can help you change your outfits.
Both of you look beautiful. I'm honored that you like this new outfit. Baby girl, are you ready to fight me? Come at me!
bastard! This is unacceptable! I'm so pissed!
Yo. もし彼らがコントロールを失ったらどうなる？私たちは安全なのかな？やばい、巨大な災害が起きちゃった。うわー、すごく好調だね。どうしよう。
Steve! I told you I'd take you down.
Shit, what the hell is going on?
You are now illegally gathered. We are about to execute arrests.
What? 何が起きたんだよ。めっちゃ怖い怪人だよ。どうすればいい？
You two, you look a bit panicked. Is there anything I can help you with? We're not locals. We have no idea what's happening.
It's so terrifying, but we don't know where to go.
Yes, this place isn't very safe. Those beasts have gone crazy. I'll take you away.
Okay, I think it's way safer here now, so we should be good.